cannot whack the brush. This is not an area of.
Oh, it's filming. Why is it filming?
Because you can press play.
Oh, stop.
Okay. Oh, it's gonna be really awkward because we're all here.
I'm a crackhead, ay, I'm a crackhead.
I was like, hey, what's up, crackheads? In today's video, I am going to be following a Bob Ross tutorial on this painting and this beautiful studio because my mom is actually a talented oil paintress artist. But my mom let me use her studio today very unwillingly, but she did, and she gave me just the basics of what I need to know for doing oil paintings. She's gonna let me use this because she doesn't want me to let it. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this little palette that my mom's letting me use because she's not letting me use her real one. And I also have Bob Ross just letting me know that there are no mistakes and only happy accidents throughout this entire process. So I'm gonna pull up a Bob Ross video that I would like to do, and we're gonna figure it out from there. Sorry, Mom. Oh, what about warm winter day? We're gonna do warm winter day. Titanium white. We got soft mixing white. That sounds right. Okay, so we got titanium white. Now what's next?
Now I've already covered the canvas with a thin even coat of the liquid white.
Thin even coat of liquid white. So we're gonna cover our painting in white.
That looks like fluffy. Like
This does not look right.
whippy.
Oh. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but it's just not right. It looks like I already drew happy clouds. Okay, I'm just gonna pretend I didn't do that. Your hands are already a mess.
Start today with a little 1-inch brush. Go into a little bit of
Okay, 1-inch brush, yellow. Cadmium yellow. Sounds good. We got yeller. Is it sliding? Oh my god, it's sliding.
tiniest little amount of the bright red.
Okay, we need a bright red. We got cadmium red. And he said the tiniest bit. The tiniest bit. Ow, shit. I can't open this. We're gonna find another red that I can open. Oh, this is like a really bright red. Oh, this is dark red. Oh, this is good. He's gonna take a little bit of this. Oh, that's good. That's right. All right, we're gonna put a little happy sun in our little. I'm so scared. I'm so confused. Gonna whack the devil out of it. Whack. Okay, white and crimson. Okay, so he goes into white and crimson. I got my white and my crimson. So we're gonna just, okay. He goes into white first. Okay.
Work this in.
He does that around the sun. Just little crisscross strokes. Does this look right at all? Oh, I touched the sun. I touched the sun. Okay, I got little crisscross strokes around the sun. He's going out of my comfort zone.
What is that? What is it supposed to be?
I don't know yet. I don't know what it's supposed to be, so I don't know if it's good, but his looks a lot different, so that's a good sign. Okay, what next, Bobby? So you make that thicker, but down. I went up. My name is Bob Ross. Okay, I'm not upset with this. I'm not happy about it. Okay, I feel like this is looking better, right? Oh, we're going to a 2-inch brush. Oh shit. Okay. We got our 2-inch brush. Oh no. Too much. Go back. Okay, I need a brown. Okay, that's a really warm brown. Ooh. Blue! He said without cleaning the brush, so. Oh, it's too dark. Oh, he goes like, Oh, we could say it. Crimson? He said crimson? I said, okay. Oh, another 2-inch brush? I don't know if I have another one. Oh, he blends with this hoe. Mama, I don't even work. Oh my god, so he's like not blending the sun, but also blending the sun. So it's like.
And for that, I'm going to use my finger. Take your knife and just go.
Oh my god, that looks like so much fun. Oh my... Am I the female Bob Ross? Maybe. We need a round brush. And I think we already have, oh, we need more brown. And we have crimson. So we need a round brush. Oh my god, there's paint everywhere. Take this. And why does this brown not want to blend it all?
Maybe there's a happy little tree. Lives right
Oh my god, we're
across
making
the
trees.
face of-
Work face up. Okay. Making a tree. One step at a time. Oh, okay. We need black. I can do that. Little stems. So we're gonna take our round brush again and dip it in the white and a tiny bit of bright red. What are we gonna do with that, Bob?
Tap the brush. Tap it.
It's tap ready. Oh, fun. This is fun.
Beautiful.
Oh, it's supposed to be like white. He said white. This isn't horrible. I don't hate it. It doesn't look much like his, but I'm okay with this. Okay, we need a roll of paint. I've been waiting for this. We got our roll of paint. Little house. It's gonna live right here. Oh. This one's got white in it. I hope that's not a problem. White. That's not a house, but it's fine. Not everyone's house looks exactly the same, you know what I mean? Sometimes your house does that. That's fine. I'm kind of doing my own thing, but I don't mind it. Like, if you cover that and that, it's a pretty good painting. So I'm gonna call it quits, because he's adding happy trees everywhere, and I think this constitutes as like a done painting. So this is, this is my painting. I'll insert his so that you can see the difference. But you know what? I don't hate mine. Overall, I don't hate what I did. This house or cabin thing could be much better, but it's not horrible. I'm very happy with my happy trees. And these happy bushes are kind of weird. I definitely went in too dark with the blue because it's supposed to be ice. I thought he was gonna turn it into water, so I really didn't think it didn't matter, but he didn't. It's supposed to be snow, but it's not. It's water for me. It's a little lake, a little river running through mine. No mistakes, just happy accidents. All right, now I have to go clean all this up, but if you enjoyed that video, like and subscribe down below. All of my social medias will be down there. Ring that bell, please. Yeah, videos every Sunday. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.
I'm a crackhead, ayy. I'm a crackhead, ayy. I want your bread.